Have you ever noticed that when you cook at home and eat really clean on a regular basis that you feel better, and then you go out to a restaurant and your symptoms kick up, even if you order gluten-free, dairy-free, whatever free you're doing. So even if you're trying to be really conscious at a restaurant, the next day you might have some digestive upset, you might have some brain fog, or even right away, and fatigue. You might have an energy crash, a brownout, feel like you need a nap, and a lot of your symptoms kick up. Well, this is because most restaurants use seed oils such as canola oil, because canola oil is cheap and the restaurants need to make their profit margin. So cooking at home is going to be for the win. Occasionally, if you need to eat out, it might be good to choose restaurants that are transparent with what kind of oils they use to cook with, and the ones that use coconut oil, olive oil, and avocado oil are better. And some Thai restaurants, at least around here, if you request pure coconut oil, they'll do it. But most restaurants, even the fancy ones, are going to use canola oil because it's cheap. So cook more at home.